I think when you think about what makes a great company, it really starts and stops with people. People matter. We have to be smart about how we manage and recruit people. I think that success tends to breed success, and people want to be on a winning team. We want to see our people advance.
If you're looking for something that every day you're going to come in and you're going to tighten that bolt and then you're going to walk away at the end of the day, this probably isn't the place you want to be. But if you're looking for something that's going to stump you and you have the opportunity to show that you can come up with a solution and that you can work through these problems, there's a lot of celebration of that.
I've worked for large and small corporations. If a person is wanting to work at a small company that cares about their employees, Line Production System has been a great company from that standpoint. You're not just a number here, for sure.
It's awesome. I should have been here 10 years ago. It's a great place to work. They challenge you every day. You never wear the same hat. The people are wonderful to work with. Vanilla is not even a flavor of an ice cream here. It's just, there's so much going on. It's just awesome.
My last job, it was all just like work. When I started working here, it was a lot, like, it was much more laid back than I was expecting, because like everybody just like talks to each other, and we have a ping pong table.
It's great. I love it. I've been here for 7 years. The atmosphere has changed, the people have changed, but the culture stays the same. People are excited about their work. People come here with a smile on their face. Get to go home and feel satisfied with the work you did, and you know, at the end of the day, we have an impact on the world.
I started right out of high school. Started here in '77. Airfloat was 10 years old at the time, I believe, and I think I was the 7th employee. I find it to be a good place to work. That's why I've been here for 45 years.
You know, they say you don't quit a job, you quit a manager, right? So mine's the inverse of that. I really like the team here. I like Jason, and it's not a huge business, right? So you're not locked into a real particular role.
I would describe the culture here as very driven and driven towards winning, but not winning at any cost, winning at the right cost. And I think that's a very nice environment to work in. It's motivational enough to push you to be your best without pushing you overboard, if you know what I mean.
It's okay not to know things. It's really hard to know everything, especially coming out of college or coming into a new company in a new field. And so I want people to feel comfortable knowing that we're here to help, we're here to support you, and we're all still learning. And so it's always important to be inquisitive and ask questions.
I like to work with smart people. That's the bottom line. And so that's who we look to recruit. Ultimately, we will not be successful if we don't have people to take what they do seriously, they find meaningfulness in what they do, and we have an environment that allows them to thrive and to fully develop who they have the potential to be for both themselves and our customers.